Hi everyone, my name is Jason and I'm a mid-20s software engineer and I work at Google. Normally I'm in New York City, but today I am in Thailand, Bangkok, and I wanted to show you guys what it feels like to kind of work from home in Thailand. But realistically, I'm just pretty much showing you the office and getting a tour. As a Googler, I am allowed to visit any office anywhere in the world. Previously, I visited offices like South Korea, Singapore, and now I'm in Bangkok. So I'm gonna take a look and I'm gonna bring you guys along. In this series, My Life at Google, I'm sharing what it's like to actually work and eat at a corporate office. The kind that provides food, amenities, and a unique vibe for employees. Some Google offices are massive, others not so much. And here in Thailand, it's one of the tiniest I've ever seen. The space spans just 3 floors, and honestly, I don't even think Google takes up the entire floor. Security here is tight too. Even as an employee, I needed to get a temporary building badge just to come in. But hey, it's time to go to work. But what makes each office special is how it reflects local culture. In Bangkok, that touch comes through in the design. Like this elephant, symbolizing strength, loyalty, good fortune, and sovereignty. A small office, but a lot of personality.
This is the cafe, the one and only cafe in Bangkok, Google.
For those of you who just stumbled across this video, let me introduce myself. By day, I work at Waze. I started out as a backend developer, but eventually made the switch into mobile, specifically Android. My background is in computer science, and honestly, I worked a ton of jobs just to pay for tuition. At one point, I even did a full summer as an unpaid intern at a startup that pretty much went nowhere. But now, I'm at my dream job, and I'm really grateful for it. These days, my tech stack is mostly in Kotlin and C++, with a bit of Java sprinkled in. By night, I'm a small-time content creator. Lately, I've been making videos about my life at Google, but I also vlog about food and travel, like my recent trip across Asia, which I might share soon.
Wait a minute!
Bruh. I'm currently on vacation, so when I say I'm going to work or going to the office, I really mean this. I'm coming to eat. I think one of the goals I have in mind is to go to every office in the world and explore... Oh, what? Explore the cafes that exist everywhere. And this one's pretty cool. It's kind of small though, it's very small. Like one section I went to literally just has some cubicles and that's it. There's nothing else to it. There's a whole coconut here. That's actually crazy. Whoa, that's good. Oh shit. Maybe I need a spoon or something. This is a bad idea. Hold up. Let me try that again with a straw this time. I will finish this though, so I'm not wasting anything, I promise. I kind of wanted to see what it's supposed to be like. What did I mess up on? See, oh, this one's pink. Wait, that's so cool. Wait, what? Wait, hold on, let me show you guys. It's pink. What? Oh my god, that's so good. It's nice and cold and very sweet. Honestly, one of the best coconuts I had, like, everywhere. That tastes like harmless coconut, and it really tastes like it. I'm kind of wondering if they just, like, cut it open, poured some harmless coconut, and gave it to us. This is so good. Wow, okay. We got some green curry on the side. Ooh, okay. That's very fragrant. Might need another one. The chicken's really juicy, a little spicy, basil-y.
One bite. Good help.
Got a little bit more food. Apparently this is vegan sauce that goes good to the vermicelli. That's pretty good. Wait a second. I didn't think much of vermicelli until just now. I wonder if locals get tired of that food. When you're done, don't forget to scoop in the inside to eat all that jelly galore. It's so good. It's soft and chewy. Still has the sweetness from the coconut. If you're interested in learning more about my Google experience, my life in general, check out my Google content. And if you're interested in me eating in different countries or just traveling in general, also subscribe. Maybe like and comment below.
There's still dessert.
Just do the dirt. We got the white thing and ice cream. Not bad. Taste like coconut. It's rock solid. No too sweet. The cool thing about the commute here is that the train station is connected directly to the building, so you can enter the building without actually stepping foot outside into the street. Sitting here in the cafe, I could also have the view of the SkyTrain, which is pretty nice.
Beyond the cafe food and the super convenient commute, the MKs are pretty unique too. Before we get into that though, this fridge actually caught my eye. It's stocked with drinks I've never seen before, like these fruit juices. Around the corner there's a little Hall of Fame wall showing off Google's pride and of course, a standard meeting room. Complete with her Miller chairs of course. Oh, and I stumbled across some event cookies. They definitely looked amazing, but yeah, the taste didn't live up to the presentation. There's a little tuk-tuk here. This is so cute. Guys, your snacks. Maybe I'll try these. Dried strawberry, bananas, and butter sugar toast? Hold up. They have macadamia here. That's kind of cool. I'm currently back in my hotel in Sukhumvit, and if you watched till now, well, I'm guessing you're interested in my videos. So stay tuned for next week where I travel to Taiwan for the first time ever. Until next time.